Spot the error in the sentence. Number 1. I have came early so I can finish my work. I have come early so I can finish my work. After have use V3. Number 2. I bought a lot of furnitures. I bought a lot of furniture. Furniture is an uncountable noun, so we cannot add s. Number 3. The cat is sitting besides the owner. The cat is sitting beside the owner. Here, beside is next to, besides is in addition to. Use beside for position. Number 4. Either he nor his wife will come to the party. Either he or his wife will come to the party. Use or with either, not nor. Number 5. I always sleep between my mom or sister. I always sleep between my mom and sister. Use and with between, not or. Number 6. Neither he or his wife will come to the party. Neither he nor his wife will come to the party. Use nor with neither, not or. For either use or, for neither use nor. Number 7. In class, I am searching my son between the students. In class, I am searching my son among the students. Use among for many people, not between. Number 8. In spite the rain, we went outside. In spite of the rain, we went outside. Always use of after in spite. Number 9. Despite of trying to sleep, he cannot stop thinking. Despite trying to sleep, he cannot stop thinking. Do not use of after despite. Number 10. I prefer jogging than walking. I prefer jogging to walking. After prefer use to not than.